Elsie Cupcakes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a slime video. This is what I need. I need some flour, some hand soap, and I actually need another silver slime that I bought from the shop. I do also need water, but I'm not going to be using that. So the first thing I'm going to be putting in is that slime. Oh yeah, I forgot to grab my spoon. There we go. Then I'm going to be adding in some hand soap, about 3 cups. Now I'm going to be taking my flour and just pouring a bit in. There. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the other slime. Actually, I'm just doing this. I haven't had it yet, because normally I come up with slime ideas and then they work. And I think this will make this more stretchy. I'm going to be making 2 kinds of slime. I'm trying to get this one more stretchy that I'm doing at the moment. Oh, look at my hand. Let me put my skin on. And so I'm drinking water for this one. This one? Okay. Well, actually, I think this one is done. It's a lot stretchier than it was before. That one's done. I'm going to wash my hands. Okay. Next time we're going to be doing is a flour, water, and a flour and water slime. And so, yeah, get some flour in. Okay, got some flour. I'm going to get some soap in, actually. 1 small flour. 2. There we go. I need to grab I'm going to start mixing, and it should be making more a pattish slime. I'm sorry I was looking at the screen weirdly, like, a friend is texting me, and what her brother said, her brother. So yeah, so I'm just looking at the screen, like, looking at messages. I should really, and please go check out her channel. I'm not sure if she uploaded a video, yeah, but, yeah, she keeps on sending me messages, and it's quite hard, because I feel quite bad. And also have a great weekend, because it's Friday. I want to make a super big slime, actually. As I'm quite full. So, massive slime. Because it's so much. I'm going to make a massive slime. So, alright. So, this is how it looks so far. It feels super nice. Oh, it's a bit sticky. Get it in my hands. No. Just start around. I'll leave it to 8.5. 1. I really love how it feels, so make sure to make a slime like this. I'm going to add one more pump of soap quick. So this is how it looks. I'd say more dough. First, super nice. And see, because I don't have any activator, so I'm actually talking quite quiet today. That's not. I just mix that. So yeah. I'm gonna add a couple more pumps of soap to my slime. This is gonna make it a bit more slimish. Yeah, I'm wearing Christmas pajama top. I know. I'm wearing a Christmas pajama top. Please comment maybe some other video ideas. Just a couple of things. And remember, if you comment down below, you'll get a shout out. And once again, I forgot the name of the person I need to do a shout out for. I can't pronounce her name. I'll ask my mum. So now, get there we go. I love your comment. It was just so sweet. This smells so nice. And didn't add soap in it, would be edible. Didn't have to add soap. And I really I can't remember what that's called. But gives it a bit of just back in it. It's added some cinnamon. Actually, it's called cinnamon. It smells so good. Feels so nice. That's my slime done, so please go ahead and check that now. Please make sure to comment, subscribe, and turn the notification bell on, and get this video to at least 200 likes. Bye.